If you want to create a GoDaddy account quickly and without confusion, this video will walk you through the entire process step by step. Whether you want to use Google, Facebook, or email, I'll show you exactly where to click so you can get your account set up in just a few minutes. And if this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit like and subscribe for more simple tech guides just like this. Now let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to godaddy.com. Once the homepage loads, look to the top right corner and click Sign In. This is where GoDaddy keeps both login and account creation options. After the sign in page opens, look for the new customer section. Under that box, click Create an Account. GoDaddy will now give you a few different ways to sign up. You can continue with Google if you want to connect your existing Google profile, or use Facebook if that's easier for you. If you prefer to register manually, choose the email option. If you pick email, GoDaddy will ask you to enter a valid email address, create a unique username, and set a strong password. Make sure your password is something secure that you can still remember later. After filling in your details, review everything carefully so there are no mistakes, then click Create Account. At this point, GoDaddy will send a verification code to the email address you used. Open your inbox, find the message from GoDaddy, and copy the multi-digit code. Go back to the GoDaddy verification screen, paste the code into the prompt, and click Verify Code. Once that's done, your GoDaddy account will be fully created and ready to use. From there, you can start managing domains, websites, hosting, and any other tools you need for your online presence. If this video helped make the process easier, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.